Guys, the studio is no longer dark. The editing computer is back on the bench. I'm starting the videos. But first, you know what time it is. Here comes a little bit of music. Need to get the sun's up. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Day 2. Didn't film anything yesterday. You get the sunrise. Guys, welcome to a pre-opened, no people in attendance yet, Blade Show West. I want to try and get some footage and get some filming, but I still do have to work. Yep. Blade West, we got Bradford knives right here. No one is even doing anything. Bastinelli, Artisan, Mission Knives. Madness Knives didn't even show up. Oak Forge, Continental, all that stuff. Olamic's down there. I'm gonna try and get down through here and film, but you can see, I wanted to show you guys something. My friend Bob won the best tactical knife. So congratulations, Bob. That's a good design. Yes. If there was any question, if you enter a Terzuola into a tactical knife competition, it's pretty much a lock. Guys, this is post edit. So as you can see, the video footage, you'll see it in a second. The video footage this year is a lot shakier. And the reason is because one, my gimbal there's something wrong with it, and 2, that gimbal is really heavy, and so what we moved to was a monopod, so it's like a stick with a and so it allowed us to move around a lot more. It didn't take up as much space, wasn't as heavy. So I apologize. The footage that you guys are seeing is going to be a little bit more shaky. I apologize. There's not much we can do about it, but you know, we did what we had, and you're gonna have 3 videos of it. So I think we kind of adjusted and got better at it as time went along. So apologies up front that some of the footage is a little shaky. All right, guys, we got Justin and John here from Fiberlite. You know them because guess what? They also are Ember Shirt Co. So they make my merch. How's it going, guys?
I'm freaking tired, bro.
You look tired. Did you guys steal happiness from today? Yesterday?
Yeah.
Did you wake up in a happiness vacuum?
I guess, yeah.
I slept and I feel great. So as you guys know, Fiberlite fire starters, some of the best fire starting stuff on the market. As always, you can find them at multiple vendors and online at
Fiberlitefs.com.
There you go. Usually it helps.
About to happen.
So this is David Horstman, Hiking with Viking.
What's up, bud?
You guys saw him on the podcast. You saw Justin on the podcast too.
That's right.
But this is probably one of the least worthwhile people. Oh, I'm sorry.
Did you say that out loud?
I said that out loud. I said the quiet part out loud. I'm kidding. David is a great guy. We love David. When are we going to do a video together?
We got to figure that one out. What do we want to do it on?
I don't know, but it needs to be one of those ones where maybe we do like a live. Maybe we talk about some archery stuff, but we could do like a podcast or just a live where you can go on and talk about archery stuff. And
Okay.
places that you recommend gear supply, because a lot of that knife stuff, it overlaps.
It's true, yeah. I was actually hoping to see like Outdoor Edge here, or maybe even Havalon or somebody that's out that makes some really good skinning knives and stuff that are replaceable blades, which is usually you see Outdoor Edge here usually.
There's not a lot of
Not
guys.
a lot of people here this year.
This video is going to be a lot different than the other ones. First of all, Nico and I are splitting time at the Artisan booth to help out. I'm actually working the booth, not currently, but so these videos are going to be a little bit different because some of it's just going to be Nico. I'm going to be behind the camera, like back in the day, like before Nico and I started doing this stuff together. So, but yeah, this is what the venue looks like. It's still are they still opening?
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
It doesn't even open till 10. So I am walking around before the venue truly even opens.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are with AJ and Adrian at Damn Designs. And damn. So tell me a little bit about y'all's knives. Let me get back here.
All right. So for the Blade Show this year, 2021 West, we have our two specials, Stormtrooper Edition, so 14C 28N blade with G10 white or black,
Stormtrooper Darth Vader.
And Darth Vader. Of course, we also have our pre-orders we dropped October 5th on Monday. Those are just your stonewash finish in the Banshee, Basilisk, Yokai, Wendigo.
Okay.
And then we actually brought a couple of our older ones. So we have the Hades.
I like this.
Oh yeah.
This is one I was looking at yesterday. I'm usually not a fan of like the Jade G10, but on this it really works, especially with that really elaborate.
Oh yeah, because all the edges
pivot.
are chamfered as well, as you can see.
Yeah.
Here.
Releasing a lot of new models.
And
It
this
is
is actually our
smooth and
only thumb stud variant. Everything else is pretty much a flipper. And then these are D2 compared to the 14C.
Yeah. Oh,
Main ends, so.
that's my favorite. That is one of my favorite steels. Period. 14C 28N. I love that steel because it's one of those more budget steels that still stands up to some of the super steels. And a lot of times, some of these more modern powdered steels have a tendency to add a higher finish, which I like to do.
Yes.
Which is that they lose their bite, and 14C doesn't. It's still nasty.
You can keep that razor sharp.
At 5,000, 6,000, 8,000 grit, it's still nasty. Like, oh, that is aggressive. I do like this though. This is.
Oh yeah, that's a very unique one. Like
See, this is why I have a Nico, because usually I have a Nico with me, and he handles the filming. But he's currently
working over there. Or sneezing. That's actually my carry right now.
That's what you're carrying right now.
The black label.
As well as my one-off.
I saw.
version one yokai,
Okay.
So.
Here. I saw this last night at the restaurant, and you left it on the table too.
I did. I ran back. I was like, oh my god, my knife is gone.
He left it on the table, and I was like, so basically, you're saying it's mine, right? So yeah, guys, check out Damn Designs. You guys have a website?
We do. DamnDesigns.com. And if you guys are in the Long Beach area today, we actually found a few of our version 1 Wraiths, M390, dark stonewash with the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Blue tie backspacer, pocket clip, and pivot.
Nice.
Let
me see that real quick.
Of course. Black labels. Those are the show specials.
Oh, that is comfortable.
Oh, yeah.
It's available in the same config. Each of these 4 knives is available in these 4 configs. So black, white, the stonewash green.
That is
black,
nice.
white, and black.
There you go, AJ.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, Artisan Booth, we're not going to talk too much with Russell. We talked with Russell the other day, but Dylan is here. And Dylan has got some cool... Let me see if I can get this shortened down and bring it in quick.
This is like the
So,
super version.
Russell's pointing these out, but there's these are the Blade Show West exclusives. There's Dylan's, there's mine, there's Chris's, and there's Swags'. Hi, Swags. Hi, Chris. Oh, look, there's Dylan. I almost missed him when I swung this way.
No love over here, Mike. Come on. What up?
Well, you know, of course you're going to be in this, but yeah, so there's some exclusive knives here, and then all the other stuff that we've got laid out here. So this has been fun. This is my first time actually working a booth. Not that I did a lot of it.
Working?
I don't know if I'd call it working.
I'm actually working right now.
Alright.
Yes, this is my job. So, but as you come over this way, so I don't have to bother Russell with all this. These are the Joe Flowers prototypes right here, and they are awesome. Both of these knives are just amazing. I love this. I really like this one. I think this is my favorite of the two. So unfortunately, or in my case, fortunately, I can't purchase these because they're still prototypes. So yeah, lots of cool stuff here. I'll come back. We'll get with Russell. He can actually talk to us about these prototypes. But I just wanted to stop by the table and show you guys how the Artisan booth was all set up. So we are at the Bradford USA Knives table, and we have to congratulate them on film, even though I already did. They won 2 awards: best factory, best Best factory big knife, and what was that? The best EDC?
Hunting.
Best hunting.
Best hunting knife.
Best hunting knife.
Yes. With our Guardian 4, which is the second knife we ever made. So it feels good to have that knife just continue to
finally get some acknowledgement.
Honestly, it's been a little bit. And then this is our newest.
Yeah, I saw
knife.
these yesterday, the fillet knife.
So, Rex 45, and we did a really special heat treat. This is a very tough steel, so it shouldn't be able to flex like that. But with a Peters heat treat, we were able to...
I would say you can't... Peter's heat treat or an Elliott Williamson recipe.
Absolutely.
One of those two.
Absolutely. They work the magic to make it flex like it does.
Yeah.
But we're so happy with this. This is a special knife.
I was back here. I was over here yesterday, and I was looking at this, and I was telling you I really like that. You know, I grew up as a fisherman. I was part of a bass fishing club and all that stuff. And that's exactly what you want for a fillet knife.
You know, it's so light. It's so slicey. I have ambitions to be a fisherwoman. I haven't made it yet, but...
Well, and the other, I mean, if you're in your kitchen and you're doing like Philly cheesesteak, you want to slice. It's so thin, it's going to allow you to get in there on that.
Yeah. I know. So this is my corner. I tell
This is
Brad.
your corner, Nicole?
100%.
This is your corner?
This is mine. This is our M390 and AEBL culinary, and I always tell Brad, I use a knife more than you. It's just a completely different application.
Yeah.
So he made a 8-inch chef and a paring knife. The two knives you're going to use the most in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And the thing about being in person is you've got to feel them. They are light as can be.
They are.
They're so light.
It's almost like
incredible.
it's not there. Guys, I'm sorry. This is not how I typically film, but I don't have my Nico. He is currently working at the table. We have to take turns. I'm going to keep apologizing. Usually I have my little buddy with me. Remember the little guy that was filming and I'm talking?
Hey, you're going solo.
He's much better at it than I am.
But the M390 and AEBL, a lot of individuals are saying, what's the difference? How do you decide? M390 is an incredible premium steel. It has superior edge retention, but it can be a little tougher to sharpen.
Yes.
So we wanted to bring a more approachable steel for sharpening.
And AEBL is a very good kitchen knife steel.
It's a great kitchen knife, and it also enters into sub 100, so it's $199 for the chef, which is a great value.
Yeah.
So, and then like all of our Bradford knives, you can customize. So you have 3 different scales. We're gonna go ahead and expand the scale options.
I like this. I love the way carbon fiber looks, but actually this in hand is going to be amazing in the kitchen.
So the great thing about a pop of color is I've had a carbon fiber pairing and a carbon fiber chef in my kitchen for years. No one ever talks to me or mentions my knives, and I popped off the scales, put the blue G wood, and immediately that weekend, all my friends were like, tell me about your new knife. Tell me about this knife. So
that's the same knife I've had for years.
I know. So if you want to start a conversation, get some color in your knife block.
Now, do you guys sell the scales? Can you buy a separate set?
You totally can.
A little bit of customization after the fact. So you could buy both sets.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, that would be the way to go, guys, right there.
Yeah.
Is it more expensive? But yeah, you never get tired of your knife. Just change the scales.
Hey, thanks, Mike. There you go.
There you go.
I need you on this side of the booth.
I'm garbage on that side of the booth. That's why I'm filming and not working the table. All right, thank you, Nicole. This has been fun. All right, you guys knew I was going to stop here. This is the Ultrex, guys. They have the cool-ass... Is it technically G10? What do you call it?
It's G10 with a Buna rubber laminated together in layers. As you can see, the layers there. But this material also has some flex to it.
Yeah.
You can actually twist it. Another test that I like to show once in a while is if you take true G10 and you drop it on the floor, you hear it bangs around and everything. This will absorb the energy when it lands.
So if you're making a knife that's got like a chopper where you're going to be doing a lot of impact
type.
If you're one of those guys that makes choppers, which I don't understand that whole thing, but if you are,
yes,
this would be a way to...
It'll absorb the energy of the shocks and when you're doing that.
But the cool thing about it is, guys, you get some unique look, but you also get a real unique feel on these, and especially like when you get into where's the rubberized one?
These are all of the Sure Touch over here.
So yeah, these really give you some tactility. Sometimes G10's a little slippery, but this kind of takes that out of it. It's almost like a cross between G10 and micarta.
Yep.
So
Could say that.
then
Yep, good old micartas.
good old micartas.
We got linens,
That's nice.
canvases, burlap, and then we get into a heavyweight canvas that gives you a unique look there. So,
I always like the burlap.
Burlaps, yeah.
The burlaps always look good. The canvas always looks good. I have a tendency to not like to polish it,
right.
but the fact
right.
is you can polish the shit out of it. It comes out looking good. Oh, sorry, I cursed in a video, guys. I only get a few before YouTube starts getting upset. It takes my money away from me.
So yeah, that's something that we're looking at, where you put a printed piece of cloth about 2 layers down, and it presses up together. So
Yeah.
these are the same cloth. It's just that I use the blue versus the natural. Gives you a little different
Like a
look and
digi-camo
effect.
kind of thing.
Yep. So yeah, if you're interested in that, you could probably take a cloth and get a screen print with your logo and
Yeah.
put it on G10. We'd be able to do that for you.
That would be interesting. So, all right. Thank you very much, Kevin. It's
You're
good to see you
welcome.
guys again.
Yep, thanks.
Guys, I filmed all this in one day, and I did not realize how much I actually filmed. My first edit, I broke it in half, and I had like 40 minutes of video. I'm gonna break this into like 15-minute-ish seconds. There's probably gonna be 3 Blade Show West videos, so that's it, guys. You know the spiel. If you love the videos, if you like them, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. If you want to help support the channel, share the videos with people you think would like them. All kinds of ways to support the channel financially. There are affiliate links, there's an Ember shirt co store, and there is the membership to get in on exclusive content, exclusive way, and see stuff like this early. I'm not gonna try to make this real long. I love you guys. It's a lot of fun. I'm really tired, just got home. Just got the car off a tow truck. We'll talk about that. It's a different video. So yeah, keep it clean in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.